How to make a multiplayer online battle arena play-to-earn token. How to play League of Legends and Fortnite for money. Imagine if every match you played in League of Legends or Fortnite didn't just get you a victory screen, but also paid you. Tokens for every win, every achievement, every referral. Real in-game currency you could sell for money. Sounds like a dream? Today we're breaking down exactly how this can work. Welcome to ShadowThorn Studios and our breakdown of building a play-to-earn token model for MOBAs, a blueprint that merges the addictive fun of competitive games with the economics of blockchain. The game's foundation: free-to-play, cosmetic buyables, and player progression. Let's start where every successful MOBA begins. Free-to-play with no skill advantages locked behind paywalls. Cosmetics only. Skins, emotes, and effects that make your champion or character look better, without affecting raw gameplay power. Seasonal rankings, new challenges every season, competitive ladders, rewards for climbing, earnable exclusives, limited time skins for hitting certain ranks, participating in alpha tests, or completing event goals. League of Legends has mastered this formula. It's one of the highest grossing games ever, and it's free. Why? Because cosmetics give players a way to stand out. You can match with teammates, flex rare skins you earned seasons ago, and have a more visually satisfying game experience with the characters you enjoy. Some skins, like the legendary Riot Girl Tristana with pink hair, were only available in very specific circumstances. Invite a certain number of friends during the first season. Boom, you've got a permanent badge of honor. That's engagement-based reward design. But what if we took that concept and made it where every player in every match earned something tangible? Introducing the MOBA Play-to-Earn Token Model. Instead of selling tokens through an exchange, an ICO, or to venture capitalists, the game mints its entire supply upfront. Let's say 1 billion tokens, and places them into a set of vaults. These vaults each reward different kinds of player actions, making sure you can earn from many types of engagement, not just winning matches. A vault system allocates tokens across 6 vaults: Play Vault, 50%, Achievement Vault, 10%, Daily Login Vault, 10%, Referral Vault, 10%, Daily Task Vault, 10%, and Staking Vault, 10%. Each vault rewards players based on specific activities within the game. The Play-to-Earn Vault is the core of the vault system, rewarding players after every match. The winning team receives 10 tokens per player, while the losing team gets 5 tokens each. This ensures players are rewarded for participation, with higher rewards for winning. The Achieve-to-Earn Vault allocates bonuses for significant milestones. Players can earn rewards for win streaks, login streaks, mastering a champion, achieving 100 kills with a specific champion, and reaching high seasonal ranks while maintaining them across multiple seasons. Modifiers may increase rewards for more challenging or longer goals. A login to Earn Vault rewards players for consistent engagement. By logging in daily and manually collecting their rewards, players can increase their daily token earnings for up to 30 consecutive days. This encourages regular participation and rewards long-term commitment. The Refer to Earn Vault incentivizes players to bring in new participants. Players receive a bonus when someone signs up using their invite code, and an additional bonus when the referred player reaches milestones such as level 10 or wins 10 matches. This promotes community growth and rewards players for expanding the player base. The Engage to Earn Vault rewards players for interacting with the platform. Actions such as commenting on a Twitter post, liking a YouTube video, joining a Discord, linking an email, changing your avatar, and subscribing to the newsletter earn tokens. These micro-actions help expand the community while providing immediate rewards to players. The Lock to Earn Vault rewards players who stake their tokens for a set period. The amount of tokens locked and the duration determine the weekly rewards earned. This mechanism reduces the circulating supply of tokens and helps stabilize the in-game economy by encouraging long-term investment from players. A halving and refill system. But wait, won't these vaults eventually run out of tokens? Yes, and that's intentional. Each vault has its own independent halving. When 50% of the vault's tokens are earned, the reward per action is cut in half. When 50% of that is gone, it halves again. This continues forever. When a vault hits 10% remaining, the refill mechanic triggers. The vault prints 10 times the tokens it has left. It also prints 10 times the total tokens it has ever paid out. These are airdropped directly to the players who earned from that vault before, giving them a huge bonus. The vault refills and continues the halving cycle. Because each vault halves and refills at different times, and because not all players engage with every earning method equally, the economy stays balanced and avoids runaway inflation. From tokens to real money. Now here's where it gets interesting. In games like League or Fortnite, there's no cap on cosmetics. They can sell infinite copies of a skin. But we can introduce true rarity. Each skin has a maximum supply, maybe 1,000 copies, maybe 100, maybe just one. Players spend tokens in Skin Gumball Machines, one each for common, rare, epic, legendary, and mythic skins. You spin to win and can select a preferred skin that you'll be guaranteed to get after 10 spins, but only if it's still available. This creates scarcity. It also powers a player marketplace where skins and tokens can be sold peer-to-peer for stable coins. Players set their own prices. Why this works? You end up with multiple ways to earn: per match, per day, per achievement, per referral, per task, and by staking. True rarity, skins that can't be endlessly printed, a balanced infinite token. Halving keeps rewards valuable, refills keep them flowing, a real player economy, peer-to-peer trading in both cosmetics and tokens. The result? A competitive game that's as fun and addictive as League or Fortnite, but where your time and skill actually pay you. This is the future of gaming economies. Not just play for fun, but play for value. Built right, it's sustainable, rewarding, and keeps players hooked for years. Welcome to the ShadowThorn Studios MOBA Play-to-Earn model, where every match counts, every achievement matters, and every player has a stake in the game's success. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and follow ShadowThorn Studios, creating text-based adventures in ChatGPT as custom agents turned into game worlds. Thanks for watching.